What you doing, huh? What you doing, huh? Cleaning yourself? Look at that. What a beautiful fox you are. Yeah, look at you. I don't trust you. You bite me, I could be in trouble, right? Yeah, because you do carry rabies. No, you look so cute. You look hungry. I wish I had something to feed you. Okay, bye-bye, fox.